Hello everyone, how are we doing today? That is fantastic. We're gonna be cooking the best fucking meal in town. Alright, so what you first need is, oh shit, get some margarine and butter, some chocolate cheesecake, some Cholula sauce. Cholula sauce, yeah. It's the Chipotle. Oh yeah. Some eggs. I just broke an egg inside of it. Shit. Oh shit. Just fucking destroy that egg. Alright. So we got our stuff. It's all handy dandy now. We're gonna get some Christmas stuff. I'm gonna place that there. We need some plates though. Do we need this plate? I don't think we need a big plate. That's not loud at all, is it? What? Ooh, that's hot. Okay. So, and that's the end of the tutorial. Ah. You thought it was over. No. I just put butter on the thing. Now I'm letting it sizzle. It's simmering now at a good temperature. Yeah, let's put it so it can only close on one side. So what you want to do is pat down one side like this. Have a little dent in there. A little dent. A little push in. A little shove in there. And you want to make a hole right in the middle. And what you want to do is you want to cover it in the butter, make sure it soaks it up, and take some Cholula sauce. Cholula sauce. Sprinkle it around in there. That's good. Yeah, that's some good shit. Put the egg right there. Then the other one, I'm gonna punch it down just like that. And sadly, we don't have white bread. We all have garbage bread here. White bread's unhealthy. It has bleach in it. Who gives a shit? Tastes good. You fat bozo. So you just take the middle out of the top one. And you just eat the extra bread. Tastes like garbage. I love it. I'm gonna butter this piece. Oh man, there's crumbs everywhere. Well, you can take that off the heat. Gotta quickly butter this piece. Hang on. I said hang on! Would you cut it out? I'm trying to work here. No! Alright, put it back on the heat. And we'll crack open this egg that's already cracked way open. Oh my goodness. Okay. And you put it right in the middle. Hello, kitty. What's up? Stop wiping your ass on my leg, cat. God. Oh, I'm choking on a piece of seed. You take some more Cholula sauce. You put it on top of the egg. Ah! I feel like I'm gonna puke. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh God, it's gonna fall. Oh God!
What did you say to me, young lad? You telling me I can't go out to the market today? Yes!
Alright, so I got our third piece all buttered. Ready to go. A little buttered on both sides, and you just want to take it. Puzzle piece it on there. Just like that. Now we're gonna flip it. How are we gonna flip it? Like a man. You want to squash down the corners. Like a champion. Oh! She's leaking through. Oh! Quick flip. Just like that. You got the back side all crispy there. And then what you want to do is take some more Cholula sauce, some more Chipotle, and just drench it. Yeah! And just smear it in there. This stuff is what makes it, baby. Baby! I'm never gonna catch my breath. For those who knew me, boys, I blew in school for cutting gym. This guy's got scared to death. But it's the same like Tommy. Now with the rest that I know how to swim. Oh! It's supposed to be stuck together. Alright. We'll leave it sit for a little bit.
Welcome to the diner.
So what we got some Rubicon, mango juice. I think it's cooked. Yeah, it feels like it. So we want to flip it one more time. And we could get the other sides crispy. Tasty.
Cat, you want help? You want help, kitty? Meow.
Cold outside, eh?
Now you're stuck up there.
Ha! Oh, it's a hair on my arm.
Who's there?
Oh, it's just me. Oh, this juice is thick. Thick. Oh man, it's like cum. Alright, so when you have it, you turn the burner off so you don't burn the burner. And you just flip it on your plate and it's crispy on that side. And you're good to go. And of course, because it's brown bread, that it looks like shit. Turn that off. Alright, so what we got here is a little bit of good snack, and as we break it open, we could see the yolk on the inside. It's nice and cooked, very steamy. Cholula sauce makes it real good. You cut it up, you eat it, you love it, you taste it, and you drink some juice after. Bon appetit. Bitch! Say goodbye, cat. I said say goodbye, you filthy cunt.